In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable setting that will automatically close your dead box when you take any damage in Apex Legends Mobile. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our settings. From here, move to the gameplay and then pick up. Now right here, the first setting in the basic tab is taking damage automatically closes dead box. So we can either disable it, and that way when you just take a damage and keep looting dead box, it won't turn off automatically. And if you enable it and then take any damage while looting your fallen enemies, your loot screen will turn off. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.